What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you what is inside of this little tackle box right here. It is for Crappie slash Panfish. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so when you first look at this thing, it's got a pocket right here, pocket right here, and then one right here in the front. And so this one right here in the front, I have pliers, another set of pliers, or whatever you want to call those, and then some random stuff. Okay. Now, in these two side pockets, one of these, I have weights, which, yeah, I've got a stringer, which I don't usually keep fish, but just in case, and then a bunch of bobbers. Now, for this second side, I've got some hooks right here. Don't usually keep them in there, and then these we just bought, and I don't usually keep these in there either, but we went crappie fishing, so I have these in here from then. And then that's it. Now, whenever you open up this top part, you will see there are 3 cases and a small zipper pouch right here. I don't usually carry many things in here. I just have a bobber in there right now. So yeah, in these 3 containers, I'll show you what I have. So, in this first container, I have, this isn't really specialized things. I've got a couple crappie jigs. I'm guessing at one point this used to be a terminal tackle part. But I just kind of dumped some stuff in there now. And I've got some, this was like one of my first lures I made. And then I got some more lures that I've made out of wood for crappie and stuff. So yeah, just got some of that stuff in. Okay, so next we have this one. This one has a lot of soft plastic pieces and a couple, like, there's a random spinner right there. And I have a bunch of different colors, mostly chartreuse, but yeah, a bunch of different sizes also. I do have some jig heads and yeah, all this different stuff. Now, the third compartment, third and last, this looks more like a terminal tackle box. I can't really remember exactly what all I had, but yeah, there's some small hooks, small weights. I have these crappie jigs. This, which I don't know what type of crappie you're fishing for, but I don't think one's gonna bite this. Then I have a bunch of rooster tails, and I have some more in another box. But yeah. So you see that. Some packs of stuff. Now, believe it or not, that's not it. In the bottom, I have some more things. Now, I've got these 2 little packs right here. They get crammed in the bottom. So this has some tube jig, soft plastic pieces, and a couple hooks right here. And then this one, I don't even know what's in here. There's a bunch of crammed stuff. Just a bunch of these. So yeah. And I even have some more stuff that I just threw in there. So there's this from bass fishing. And then a bunch of jig heads. Yeah. So yeah, you can fit a lot of stuff in this. It says Art Trail. They do not sponsor me in any way. I can't even get sponsored yet. Subscribe to help me get there. And yeah, you can carry a lot of stuff in here, especially whenever you organize a little bit better than I have. Yeah, let me know if you want to see a video on that monstrosity. Yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Little guy was watching me make this whole video.